Have you ever wondered about the invisible laws that govern our universe? Just like the laws of physics, which provide a framework for understanding the physical world, there exist certain laws that provide a framework for the universe itself. Yes, we're talking about the 12 profound laws of the universe. These laws are omnipresent, governing everything and everyone regardless of where you are or who you are. These laws aren't just theories or philosophical musings. They are the very fabric of our existence. The fundamental principles that dictate the workings of the cosmos, from the largest galaxies to the smallest particles and everything in between. They guide the flow of energy, the dance of creation, and the rhythm of life itself. Understanding these universal laws can lead to a deeper comprehension of our place in the cosmos, our interconnectedness with the universe, and the vast potential that lies within each of us. So buckle up as we dive into the intricate world of the 12 laws of the universe. The first law we encounter is the law of divine oneness. This principle tells us that everything in the universe is interconnected. It's not just about the stars in the sky or the trees in the forest, but even our own thoughts, feelings, and actions. They're all part of the same grand cosmic tapestry. What we do, think, or feel can resonate throughout this vast universe, influencing it in ways we might not even realize. Remember, we are all part of the same universe, connected in ways unseen. Moving on to the second law, the law of vibration. This law posits that everything in the universe, from the grandest galaxy to the smallest particle, is in a state of constant motion. Everything moves, everything vibrates, and nothing remains static. Each particle oscillates at its own unique frequency, creating a symphony of vibrations that make up the fabric of existence. So, when you think that something is perfectly still, remember, it's actually buzzing with energy. Even the seemingly still objects are in fact in constant motion. The third law of the universe is the law of action. This law reminds us that thoughts alone are not enough, they must be followed by deliberate actions. Picture your dreams as seeds. To grow, they need more than just being planted. They need water, sunlight, and care. Similarly, your desires and dreams require action. You must do something, make a move, take steps towards your aspirations. Without action, your dreams remain dormant, unrealized. So, think, but remember to act too. The fourth law is the law of correspondence. This law proposes a mirror-like relationship between our inner world and our outer reality. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you cultivate positivity, you'll see flowers of joy and success bloom around you. But if negativity takes root, you'll find weeds of sorrow and failure sprouting in your life. It's not magic, it's the law of correspondence at work. So remember, your outer world is simply a reflection of your inner world. As within, so without. The fifth law is the law of cause and effect. This law asserts that every action has a repercussion, and nothing in this universe happens by mere chance. It's like an intricate dance where every move influences the next. Imagine tossing a pebble into a pond and watching the ripples spread outwards. That's how our actions reverberate through the cosmos, creating a cascade of effects. It's a cosmic game of dominoes, where every piece is connected. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The sixth law is the law of compensation. This universal law is about recognizing that the tangible effects of our actions aren't always immediate. They may come to us as gifts, perhaps as monetary windfalls, or even as unexpected inheritances. They can arrive in the form of rich friendships or unexpected blessings. This law teaches us that the energy we send out into the universe eventually returns to us in some form. It's the cosmic balance sheet, a universal truth that underlines the saying, "What goes around comes around." The seventh law is the law of attraction. This principle is like gravity for the mind, drawing in the very things we focus on, desire, and harbor within our emotions. It's as if our thoughts and feelings are seeds, and the universe is an all-encompassing garden. The more we dwell on positivity, the more positivity we reap. Conversely, if we indulge in negativity, we inadvertently cultivate an environment that breeds more of the same. You are a magnet, attracting what you think and feel. The eighth law is the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. This fascinating law tells us that energy is an ever-flowing force. It's constantly on the move, shifting, changing, never static. Think of it as a stream of potential, waiting for our thoughts and feelings to shape it. Our consciousness can mold and manifest this energy into physical form, creating the world around us. It's a powerful reminder that we are active participants in the universe. Energy is always in motion, and so are you. The ninth law, is the law of relativity. This law teaches us that everything in our life, every event, situation, or challenge, is relative. They're not inherently good or bad, just or unjust. They simply are. And they are for a reason. They're here to serve as stepping stones, to shape us, to strengthen our inner light. Every challenge is a test to bring out our true potential. Remember, challenges are not punishments, but opportunities for growth. The 10th law is the law of polarity. This law tells us that everything in the universe has an opposite. Heat has cold, light has darkness, love has hate. You see, polarity exists everywhere. What's really intriguing is that we can transform undesirable thoughts by consciously shifting our focus to the opposite pole. Feeling sad? Pivot your attention to happiness. Experiencing failure? Remember the taste of success. This law is a powerful reminder that for every downside, there is an upside. The 11th law is the law of rhythm. This law tells us that everything in the universe vibrates and moves to certain rhythms. These rhythms establish cycles, patterns, and trends. Just as the tides flow and ebb, life too has its ebbs and flows. Seasons change, night turns into day, and life cycles from birth to death and then rebirth. This rhythmic dance of life is constant and predictable, teaching us that after every fall, there is a rise. Life has its rhythm. Dance to it. The 12th and final law is the law of gender. This law isn't about biological sex, but rather the masculine and feminine energies that exist within the universe. Everything, from the tiniest atom to the vast galaxies, carries these two complementary energies. Masculine energy is about action, direction, and progression, while feminine energy concerns nurturing, patience, and intuition. They're both vital for creation, for without one, the other cannot function effectively. Yin and yang, masculine and feminine, we need both to create balance. And there you have it, the 12 laws of the universe. From the law of divine oneness, reminding us that we're interconnected, to the law of vibration, asserting that everything moves, nothing rests. We've delved into the law of action, which underscores the importance of taking steps towards our goals, and the law of correspondence, reflecting the harmony between our inner and outer worlds. We have also explored the law of cause and effect, the principle of karma, and the law of compensation, which assures us that rewards follow efforts. The law of attraction, the power of our thoughts, and the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, the continuous change and growth, have also been discussed. Furthermore, we've examined the laws of relativity, polarity, rhythm, and gender, which govern our perspectives, opposites, cycles, and creation respectively. Remember, these laws govern not just the stars and the galaxies, but you and me as well, so let's embrace them, for they make us one with the universe.